If you're a man that always looks put together, well, then you know how much attention that brings you. But what you don't take seriously are the 7 things that I'm about to tell you in this video. If you don't always look put together, then you really have to know these 7 secrets. You're going to go from a 5 to a 10 in about a couple minutes. So let's begin. Number 1, pay attention to your nails. Your nails can be the reason that a girl doesn't like you. Women don't even want a man to touch them if their nails are bad. If you bite your nails, stop doing that. Some people have a habit of biting their nails until there's nothing left. Women don't like that at all. If you look at any male celebrity, their nails are always up to date because they know that women don't accept bad nails. Go to the nail salon, get your nails done. Ask for clear gel on them. I know that sounds a little weird, but trust me, it's something where you just have to put your pride aside and do it. If you don't feel comfortable going by yourself, bring a woman with you. It can be a kind of a little date that you two go on. Number 2, have accessories. Accessories can take your outfit to the next level. Consider adding watches, belts, and hats to your wardrobe. Accessories can add visual interest to an outfit, making it more interesting and eye-catching. This can be especially helpful if you're wearing a simple outfit and you want to add something else to make it loud. Accessories also can be used to dress up or down an outfit, depending on the occasion. For example, a simple watch can be worn with a casual outfit for a more dressed-down look, or with a suit for a more formal look. Number 3, up in your shoe game. Shoes are an important part of your overall appearance. Shoes are one of the first things that people notice about your appearance, and they can make a big impact on how you're perceived. Wearing the right, nice, popular shoes can help you look more put together. Now, the next thing that I'm going to share with you is always going to be my favorite. Number 4, getting money. Women want a guy who has their life together, no matter what they tell you. Now, you don't have to be rich and have millions of dollars, but you do have to make sure that you're making a good amount of income, because if not, well, they're not going to hesitate to leave you for someone else who does. Number 5, taking care of your things. Now, what I mean by taking care of your things is to treat everything you buy with respect. Stop trashing your shoes and messing up the clothes you have. You're wasting your or someone else's hard-earned money by doing so. Number 6, have a cologne that you use every day. It's okay to have different colognes in your collection, but you need a set cologne that you use every day to have a signature scent. Women love a guy that always smells good. Try to find a cologne that gives off an expensive taste. And finally, number 7, practicing good posture. Having good posture can benefit you in so many ways. Good posture can make you look taller, slimmer, and more confident. It can also make your clothes fit better and improve your overall appearance. Also, it's just good for your health. Good posture can help prevent back pain, neck pain, and other physical ailments. When you have good posture, your spine is properly aligned, which can reduce strain on your muscles and joints. So in conclusion, looking put together as a man doesn't have to be difficult. By following these 7 secrets, you can elevate your style and appearance with ease. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to looking and feeling your best every day.